Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So we are continuing with our live trading session, and the code for today is something which is related to our trading itself, and the code is cut your losses, cut your losses, cut your losses, then maybe you have a chance. So I was really happy when I got feedback from my subscribers, from my followers, all those who have learned the tactics that uh, the way of managing the money, the way of managing your risk, the way of cutting your losses. This is what many people are learning: how to cut the losses, how to run the profits, how to manage your money. So I'm really happy that this live trading campaign is really helping you all out, because you are able to see the journey how it is. It's systematic. It's very disciplined and perfect money management, and all the rules have been followed. Strategy is being followed. Same strategy has been followed. No diversions, and we are continuing it for 60 days to know that what are the pluses we have, what are the negatives we have, and end of the month, every month we have to be in profit. End of 6 months also we have to be in profit. So you would have seen me that my losses are very strict. I keep close to 1,000 rupees, as my profits are close to 1,500. So this is what the author is saying also: cut your losses. That is very, very important. Okay. So without wasting much time, let us go into today's live trading video. And the stock selected was HDFC Bank. Okay, and HDFC Bank was giving a very good trending range. You can see that big movements. So that is the reason we took a ranging trade. Unfortunately, we ended up in losses, but it doesn't matter. Sticking to our plan is more important, and then accordingly we have to trade the same daily. Okay, so keeping a target of 0.6%, it comes to 11 rupees, and then accordingly keeping a stop loss of 0.4%, it came to 7.4. Okay, so accordingly we have to calculate the quantity. It is loss divided by stop loss. Always remember, whenever you're following money management, first you have to know your loss. How much is your loss? So I'm trading only for a loss of 1,000 rupees only. Okay, whereas if profit comes, it will be 1,500. So in the same way, I kept my buy order, and now I'm keeping my sell order as well. Okay, so sell order is at 1844 and keeping 1 rupee buffer at 1843. Target is 11 and stop loss is 7.4, and quantity will be the same both the direction, that is 135. Yeah, it's just reconfirming the quantity. It is 135. Okay, and both the buy and the sell orders has been placed. So this is what you have to do daily, nothing else to be done. So we can see that around 10:15 one of the order was completed. So immediately what we have to do is we have to cancel the other order. That is, we have to trade only one per day. So you can see one is completed and another is cancelled, and then you can see our one of the order is been triggered, and it has just been triggered. It is with 0 profits as of now, and by 12:26 we got a loss of 1,120. So you know that this is called as a slippages. We keep a loss of 1,000 rupees, but because of the slippage it increases 100 rupees. It doesn't matter. So let us quickly update day number. Sorry, the date has to be mentioned as 5th. I mentioned as 4th. I will correct it. Okay, but never the mind, you can see the journey how it is going. We have completed 19 days of our live trading, and we are at good decent 20% returns. So we can almost say that daily 1% return is what we are getting, and that is how the journey is, friends. A live trading campaign. Hope you all are feeling comfortable. And also, last video I had updated about my option trading tactics. It is a method for profiting with options. I'm providing training in options so that you will learn how to enter into a trade, and most importantly you will learn how to do your adjustments. Okay, so it will be a training for 6 months, and in case if you want to learn or if you want to register for it, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095 876525. And last but not the least, I provide the link for joining Upstock. In case if you join before 7th, you'll be getting free demat account. I'm using the same platform for trading. It's well suited for working people, and also in case if you need notifications or you need bracket orders in commodity, all these facilities are provided by Upstock. And in case if you join Upstock with the link which I provided, then you will get 50% discount on my training fees as well. Okay friends, so any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.